this video, I will show you how I made my cardboard desktop game, which is a cardboard coin pusher. It doesn't need any electric wires, motors, and other complicated materials, so I guarantee that this machine is very easy to make. But before I proceed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be part of the Yo fam by ringing that notification bell. Okay, let's now get right into the video. The first thing I did was to make the body of the machine, and as you can see, I've put on plastic to act as a window for the arcade game. Then, I cut out some cardboard strips to support the following cardboard pieces. This right here is the base of our cardboard coin pusher, and as you can see, I made two holes where the coins would falling out. The little square you see is the part where the creator or owner of the machine gets his profit from the cardboard coin pusher. I also made a little obstacle for the coins to go zigzag on, just like those real coin pushers in the arcade. After forming the body of the machine, I then made the real deal of this creation, which is the mechanism. After putting on the mechanism, all that was left to do was just put in the front of the machine and the parachute. So that's how I made my cardboard coin pusher game. I hope you liked it, and if you're going to make this arcade game, I wish that this tutorial would be able to help you in building your craft. Before we end this video, shout out to the only person who cracked the code in my previous upload. Luke Hannigan, you are the man! Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative. Bye!